Okay. Pensi we no get money. If you go market, see what you like, you gonna chat, oh boy, now wow, oh boy, now wow. I carry you, we could go do small flex. For my pocket, put in I get that 2,000. But you reach there, place out of 20,000 now, baby. What you be? Agaraja. If Kai no be laughing medicine, why would they drink and they smile? I can make it collect your money, oh. Me, I don't pay my own money. Now she order that food. He say your papa na medical doctor for Italy, and your mama na vice chancellor in one of our federal universities. But when I ask your friends, they say you be an orphan. Sharp bet, which one you dey? I carry you, make go do small blessing. Because you come in village boys, I don't know what's up. But if I flesh you small, my life will change. Now him I say make I give life a little trial. But little did I know I was writing my death warrant.
Story, akuko kabezi botobi. Owelu wangela na po globi. Akuko ya na tume guka phobia. See, I'm not a Nigerian. Does I look like an American? My mama is Argentinian, but your black passport away from Kapanchan. Unwabi konyem space. All the kitchen and bereba ilegi face. I say hello in a bunyemu face. Bros, if you no look where I get bunyegi ace. Guy parkway, no be my class. As you see me, so me I be high class. Man, away I want to begin the tight gas. You will put the changes, so look you got night class. You go no send a them. When you see them, if na keke na pep. When you see them, you go here say my cap back for the other side. I just come back from the other side. I don't take shit, I'm not undersized. Ronaldo na my uncle from my mother's side. Akuko gibakuka na call no dimo. Embe to the canon no kiti come and danger.
Go do small flex. For my pocket, put it I get that 2,000. But you reach there, place out of 20,000, oh baby. What you be?
Adam, my toilet for you.
Sit down. This is a tribute I made for your mother when she left me and ran away. Do you understand me?
Yes, Papa.
I took your mother to a fast food. Let us go enjoy. I was holding 2,000. When we reached there, your mother ate anything she order. I said, Bena, this format will put me into trouble. Do you know that I washed plate in that place? Because she ate 20,000 naira food. And I'm telling you the truth. What I suffered in your mother's hand. That was why when she ran away, I came back and I did this tribute for her. So you see what I suffer for your mother. Do you understand me?
Yes, Papa.
Thank you. That is why I said, which one she be? She be Agracha? Who is an Agracha? All those people that go to joint, all these small ladies that go to joint, to go do, when you go there, you will pay, they will open. That is what their mother does. Yes, because that's the only people that can do that.
But Papa, when my mother is taking all this thing, are you not seeing her?
When she was, what do I do now? I was asking her to calm down. Bena, don't take more than my pocket. Don't take more than my pocket. This is just an outing. I'm just doing to prove to you that I am not a village boy. Little did I know that I was taking my death warrant from her. Do you understand me?
Yes, Papa.
That is what happened. Thank you.